So guys, welcome to our channel once again. Today we have here two questions to answer on the topic metals and their compounds. So guys, this video will be about lead as an element. So in short, to stay till the end of this video. So at any point where you feel you want to answer any question here, you can always pause this video and try out to see if you can get the answer to this question. So let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says lead has an appearance of A, pink white solid, B, greenish white solid, C, bluish white solid, D, reddish white solid. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, and that's greenish white solid. Lead is a chemical element with the symbol Pb. It's actually a heavy metal that is denser than most of the common materials. So lead is actually soft and malleable and also has a relatively low melting point. And the next and final thing to know about lead is that when it's freshly cut, it's silvery with a hint of blue, so it tarnishes to a dull grayish color when exposed to air. So guys, that's why option B here is the answer to this question, and these are the other properties of lead you should know about. So that's it for that question. Option B is the answer to this question. So let's look at the next question. Question number 2. It says lead is used for making bullets and lead shots because of its A, flexibility, B, low melting point, C, resistance to corrosion, D, high density. So guys, the answer to this question is option D. That's high density. Remember, we already said lead is a heavy metal, so in that case it has a high density, so it's used for making bullets and lead shots because of this high density. And that's it for that question. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community, so don't miss out on this. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.